Welcome to your upper body resistance band warm up. What you want to do here is grab a long resistance band like this one, and we're going to open up those shoulders, the chest, and the back to get us ready for the weights we're going to be lifting. So play around with these movements, do the circuit a few times. You want to keep the tension in the band, open the shoulder joints, pinch those shoulder blades together, open the chest, and just release any tension you might have in your upper body. Let's do a little lat pull down, pinch the shoulder blades together, fully extend your arms all the way to the top before bringing it all the way down again. And then circle back to the front where we're going to be doing some band pull aparts. So extend the band in front of your chest, pull it all the way back, bring it overhead. And then here we're going to hinge at the hips to make sure we're warming up the lower back as well. Go through the circuit a few times, making sure that you're ready to lift the weights that we're going to be lifting in today's workout, and play around with the different moves, making sure you've got the tension in the band. Enjoy. Let's get ready to lift some weights.